Okay, what we'd like to do now is look at some more copy examples. So we have the same directory structure that we built, and we're going to assume in the directory Word under the A drive. So let me just come down here and change directory to the Word directory. So if we look at the directory, I already put something in here. I created this file, so I have a file called abc.doc. I mean, it's 7 bytes. It's not really a doc file, but I just put something there with that name. So what the problem says, we're in the Word directory under the A drive. There we are. We want to copy a file called abc.doc from this directory. We're in the Word directory over here to the Office directory under Access. So here's Access, and here's the Office directory under Access. I'm going to see how to do this. So here is one suggestion. What would happen if I would do the following thing? If I would say copy abc.doc, right? Remember, I'm sitting here, I'm sitting in Word, and I want to copy abc.doc, and I say Office. What's going to happen? Let's see if that works. So I say copy abc.doc. Now notice I don't have to say where to find that file because it's right here. I'm in the Word directory, and I say Office. So let's see if we get an error message. Well, no error message. Now, where did it copy it to? Did it copy it from here to Office? Did it rename it? What did it do? So let's do a directory, dir. So I still have something called abc.doc, but I do have a folder called Office coming out of Word. So if I were to say dir Office, in other words, show me the directory of Office that's coming out of Word, it's going to show me that I have, in fact, abc.doc that I've copied there, but that's not what I wanted to do. I didn't want to get into this office, I wanted to get into this office. Right? So how would I do that? So if I use a fully qualified path name, I could simply say copy abc.doc, and where do I want it to go? I want it to go to \access, ACCESS, right? In other words, I'm saying start at the root and go into Access, and from Access go into Office. So I do that. Notice I don't have to say the name of the file because I say the what, and here I say the where, and let's see if it does it. So it's not complaining, and if I say show me the directory of ACCESS, of Access Office, it in fact says there is a file called abc.doc, and it was just copied now. And if we look at the questions after this, it's sort of the same idea. So I have the same file abc.doc, but instead of being in the Word directory under the root of the A drive, it's in the root directory of the C drive. And I want to copy it to that same place. So I just say copy C:\xyz, because that's the directory that it's in, coming off the C drive. abc.doc is the name of the file, so that's what's the what I want to copy, and where I want to copy is to the A:\access\office. Okay, and so now this assumes, by the way, if I say this C:\xyz\, it assumes that this xyz is available from the last place I had been on the C drive. So if it's not, this won't work. So if the last place I had been on, say, was at the root, and xyz comes off the root, then this would work. But if I was someplace else where I don't have xyz, then it's going to, since I don't say where to start looking on the C drive, it's going to start looking where I was there last. If it doesn't find this, then it won't work.